Hello friends, today I am going to teach you regarding what if analysis. It is very important topic in Excel. What if analysis is a concept in Excel which means what changes will affect on the formulas if you change a value in a table. Okay, for example, this is a table, right? What changes will affect in this if I change this value of 31 percentage, because this E5 is dependent on E2 and E4. Okay, so that is for what if analysis. What changes will affect if you change some value in this formula? And here, basically, what we do in what if analysis, we need not to change each and everything. Like previously, we used to do. For example, I want to get some data here, like 1600. Okay, okay, I will tell you about what if analysis kinds. Okay, go to data ribbon here. You have what if analysis. You have three scenarios here: data table, goal seek, and scenario manager. Okay, I will go with goal seek now. Goal seek, find the right input for the value you want. Find the right input for the value you want. Okay, I will tell you. I want this. How the formula is, I will show you 1 minute. I will tell you. See here. Here, the value 1500 is dependent on E2 and E4. So I want to get this gross profit as 1600. So what changes and what you want to change, E2 or E4? What you want to change? Whether you wanted to change E2 or E4. I wanted to change E4 and I want the value of 1600 here. So you might be doing calculation, right? I want 1600. Then what percentage should I keep? You might be doing some calculation. You might be doing manually, right? And then you might be entering here value. So Excel will provide you one of the best feature of goal seek. You just enter the value what you want and ask Excel to make changes in this. I'm repeating again. You just have to tell Excel that in these cells, in this E5 cell, I want 1600 value, and Excel will ask you by changing which value, because this value here we have two formulas. It is dependent on E2 and E4. It will ask you what you want to change. Sorry, what you wanted to change. Like you wanted to change E2 or E4, and I will select E4 now. And if you wanted to select E2, that's your wish, but you will get the output without manually calculating and entering the value. Okay, so I will show you one example here. You will be understanding it better. See here, I want uh, this 1500. I want gross profit of 1600. I will change the value of 1600 here. Okay, I change the value of 1600 here. Okay, oh sorry. I wanted the values. I want the value of 1600 here. Then go to data ribbon, what if analysis, and select goal signal. It will ask you what cell you want. Here I select. It is already selected. I want. Otherwise, you can remove it or you can select whatever cell you want. It is already selected E5 because I clicked on E5 cell before applying what if analysis. Here we set the cell E5. It is asking what value you want. I want it as 1600. I entered the value of 1600. It is asking uh, by changing which cell. As this is dependent on two cells, I want to change the value. Make some. I'm asking it to change values in E4 so that I get 1600. So I will take this E4 and press OK. See, see, it is asking goal 16 changes, target value 1600, current value 1600. I said OK. See, when it is 1600, 26%, you will get 1600 value. You can check this value also. E2 minus E2 into E4. By doing that, we can get the answer 1600. I hope you got it. Otherwise, what you have to do, if this process were not there, or um, this if the Excel have not provided you this option, what you would have done? You would have calculated before in calculator and you would have typed 6.6% here, and this value would have changed. So but Excel is providing this option. Excel by default Excel will check what value it is suitable there to get in, so it will get the target value. It will make you to reach your target value by changing the values you want, and make sure that it is dependent on it. Only change the values which is dependent. If I want to change this value, will it change? No, because this is dependent on E2 and E4. You have to change E2 or E4. You cannot change E1 and you will make changes and you will get 1600 here. Okay, because it is dependent on E2 and E4 only. Okay, we meet you next tutorial with another what if analysis kind. Thank you.